Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor.
How to use LumaLabs AI on mobile. This tutorial will guide you through using Luma AI by LumaLabs, providing a quick and easy reference for getting started with this innovative AI tool. First, make sure that you've installed Luma AI on your device. Once you've set up your account, familiarize yourself with the Luma AI dashboard. Go to Home section over here. Access your recent projects and quick links to tutorials. To create, manage, and view your AI projects, go to Projects tab right here. Open Resources to check out helpful guides and examples to maximize your use of Luma AI.
Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video.